Okay, so yesterday we learned how to eliminate systems of equations when we already have like terms. This is the first example right here. We already had like terms. 3 and 3 are the same number, but they had opposite signs. If they have opposite signs, how would I eliminate one of those? By adding. Remember, opposite means you add, same means you subtract. Opposite, add, same, subtract. Today, we are going to learn what to do when there are no like terms. You see, 7 and 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, 7 plus 4 is 11. That doesn't cancel out. Negative 5 minus 2 isn't 0. Negative 5 plus 2 is not 0. So what do we need to do? Well, if we do not have the same or opposite terms, we must use multiplication to create them. We must use multiplication to create them. Yep. Yep. All right, so here's our first example. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the way that works every single time. As we get into this further, you'll start seeing some things that might make it a little bit easier. But right now, I want to teach you how it will work if you do it the same way every time. Okay, so here's what we do. The first number in the top equation is what? 3. First number is 3. In order for us to get like terms in both of these equations, take whatever number is first and multiply the other equation by it. So first is 3 here. Then right here, I'm going to multiply this one by 3. The whole thing. What's the number that first comes in the bottom? 2. So I'm going to multiply the top by 2. So we have to distribute on the top and the bottom to all numbers. Ready? 2 times 3? 6. 2 times negative 6, negative 12y. 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Okay, we just distributed 2 to everything in the first equation. Let's do the bottom equation. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12y. 3 times 30 is 90. Okay, now, do we have like terms? In fact, we got 2 of them. 6 and 6, 12 and 12. If I use the sixes, they're the same, so I have to subtract. If I use y's, they are opposite, so I have to add. Either way, it's going to work. Raise your hand if you want to get rid and eliminate all the x's. Raise your hand if you want to eliminate all the y's. Okay, x's win. Same sign, so subtract. This is where you learned what you learned yesterday comes back in. 6 minus 6 is 0. Negative 12 minus 12. Negative 12 minus 12 is negative 24y. Negative 6 minus 90 is negative 96. Don't forget, you have to get back to the subtraction sign every time. It doesn't matter which way you go first. We do the same thing. Okay? Let's solve for y. I need to divide by negative 24. Negative 24.
It equals 4. I'll do 4.
Thank you. But what do I need to find?
The x.
I still have to find x.
Wait, you divide.
I still have to find x. So plug it back in. Doesn't matter which one you plug it back into. Okay?
The first one?
Does not matter. Sure. 3 times x minus 6 times 4 equals negative.
Oh, wait, did we plug it in the original?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, nice.
Are you using negative 3?
Okay? It doesn't matter which one you plug it back into.
What did you plug in?
Miss Jenkins,
Yes, ma'am.
you have Jordan here too.
I do.
Ask her to go to Miss Fox's office.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
What do we plug in?
You plug in your y to solve for x. Yes, ma'am, Callie. No, I've already said that.
I plugged it into the
Mr. Colvin.
6x plus 12y, and I got the same thing.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah. I've already said that, guys. If y'all stop dancing and listen, maybe this wouldn't be a problem. 3x minus 24 is equal to negative 3. Plus 24 plus 24. You get 3x is equal to 21. Divide by 3.
7.
X is equal to 7. So your answer is 7, 4. Okay, so let's fill in this box. The first thing we did to multiply the first equation, we multiplied it by 2, and we multiplied the second one by 3.
So you always do that?
It will work, it will always work that way. Yes.
So our next one is 5.
Yes. Okay, let's try the next one. There's some on the back you're going to do. Okay? Alright, so the way that works every time is you take the first number and multiply the other equation by it. So right here, the first number is 2, so I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 2. Top equation, I need to multiply by negative 5. Okay, distribute everything. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10x minus 5y equals negative 20.
Would you subtract?
Oh, yeah, that's right. I did the bottom and you did the top. Sweet.
Okay? Same sign. Same sign. So subtract. Subtract. Your x's cancel out. Negative 5 minus 8.
Negative 14.
13. Negative 20 minus negative 46 is 26.
26.
Divide everything by negative 13. You get y is equal to negative 2. Okay? Y is equal to negative 2. Now, doesn't matter if you plug it back into this equation, or this equation, or this equation, or this equation. Just plug it back in to solve for x. 2x minus 2 equals 4.
I got 2.
Add 2, add 2. 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3. We're about to get there. Okay, now, finish writing this down and flip to the back. Good. Okay, there are 3 equations right here. I don't want you to solve these. I want you to practice telling me how you would multiply these so that something would eliminate. So the first one, you would multiply the top by 7 and the bottom by 3. Okay, try 2 and 3. Okay, I want you to look at something in the second one. In order for these to eliminate, okay, I could do it the way that always works. Top by 9, bottom by -2. Okay, but I rewrote it again because I want you to see something. I need one of these pairs, either X or Y, to be the same term. Okay, what is 4? I mean, what's Y? I just said it. 4, right? Y is 4. Well, what could the top Y be? What do I need the top Y to be in order for these to eliminate? 4. So really, once you see it, okay, this works every time. Okay, every time this will work. But right here, I could just multiply the top by 4 and be done. Because 4 times Y is 4Y. 4 and 4 are the same number, opposite signs, but if I added, they would eliminate. Okay? If you are not confident enough in yourself to see this and be able to do it correctly, do it this way every time. It works. Are there some more steps? Yes, but it works. If you can see this and know how to do just multiplying one thing, then do it the shortcut way. It works. Okay? Look at the next one. Multiply the top by -8. Do I have to multiply the bottom one by anything? It'd just be 1. It'd just be 1. But if I multiply 1 by anything, I get the same exact thing. Okay? Alright, I'm going to do one more with you. One more. Then you're going to do this one on your own. Then I'm going to give you your homework once I see this one's correct. Alright. Here we go. Yep, just like yesterday. That's all I wanted us to do. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do this one the same way I do the rest of them. Because there's nothing that's just a 1. Okay? So multiply the top by 4. Bottom by 3. Try it on your own and then look up to check it.